I love spending time in nature. My favorite activities are walking among rocks covered in moss, being around water like a small stream. The sound pleases me.
I really like to go to riverbanks and see the water flow by and see the trees move and how the sun moves and the leaves.
I love getting out into the woods. There's this little stream back there right off from the cutout. It's got a lot of pecan trees, and I'll usually sit on the riverbank and look up at the trees.
It's hard for me to figure out exactly what nature means. Does it mean expanses where there are no buildings? Does it mean human nature? We have a raccoon, and he's very friendly. And sometimes I look, and obviously I won't touch him because they do bite. But as I was looking at him, I was wondering, how much does he know?
There's good and bad people. A lot of them have forgotten what it's like to be in nature, and that's a shame because we've lived in harmony all this time. It's really over the last 150 years that we see machines, we see a change in attitude, and I think there's, in a lot of ways, there's a spiritual sickness because they're not in touch with nature.
Say everybody left New York City, within a year, nature just started to come out through the pavement.
As a hunter, conservation is very important. Yes, you're removing things from nature, but you need to be just as conscious in the efforts to maintain. You're always going to have people who are greedy. So they say, hey, you see that beautiful forest over there? Let's cut it down and drain it away.
I think that they forget that they are part of this world. They miss the connection between themselves and the environment they live in. And in forgetting that, they tend to ignore or abuse certain aspects of our environment.
I've never heard of a good answer of, what sets humans apart from everyone else. Humans think of themselves as being different than everything else and set aside, and I'd say maybe there's more self-awareness, but if that was the case, if humans really are self-aware, why are they soiling their own bed?
Without an inner transformation of the human soul, nothing will ever change. If a human being learned to be in touch with themselves and in tune with themselves and what we really are, the attitude towards everything else would change.